Yo guys, what's going on? How's everybody making out? It's early in the morning, guys, and this snow has just begun. I'm just trying to get a path, some kind of start where I could start, just a little path to the car. You know, this little stuff. I got to do the back deck. I'm going to go in my gate right now. If I could get in there, I'll show you. This is my deck. Oh man, this is my deck. This is my deck here, guys. I just did a look how far I got shoveling. I got to get this done because my dogs can't go to the bathroom. So, but it is bad and it's going to get worse. This is just the beginning. This is nothing right now. It's what I'm showing you now is, they say, I had the weather on. They said the drifts are going to be so bad, it's not even going to be funny. That's how bad it is. There's nobody. It's like desolate. I mean, there's nobody on the roads. I haven't been on the roads, but there's nobody. Everybody's just hunkering down. But here it is, guys. I'll give you guys a shot. I'll take you guys back out around front real quick. Just quickly. If my phone don't shut off because it's too cold. It's been acting up, my phone. This is my wife's car. I'm going to try and walk through this, right? This is my wife's car. Let's walk around the front, shall we? Here's the side of my house. That's the side of my house. Check my trees, my bushes out front. These are my bushes out front, guys. You could barely see them glistening over the... check that out. They're all bushes, guys. Big bushes. I mean, they're pretty stout bushes. Look at that. They're covered, man. They're covered. But that's looking out. And that's a cul-de-sac there. I drive down my driveway. My driveway's right there, down them tree lines. That's my driveway. It's my neighbor's house over there. There's my pole barn right there. That's where I had the truck to get the wood into. There's my garage there. So I brought it all in last night. But yeah, it's crazy. And it's so bad right now, I can only imagine what it's going to be like around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock today when it's going to stop. It's going to snow all the way till about 5 or 6 o'clock. It's early in the morning right now. So do you know how much snow there's going to be? We're going to be totally just trapped. Just basically trapped inside this house. We're going to be in pretty bad shape for about definitely 3 days. At least 3 days. People are going to be just super done. You're not going to be able to leave your house for like at least 3 days. That's it, guys, for now. I'll do more filming when there's more snow later on, like when there's like uber amounts of snow on the ground, because it's still early in the morning. So yeah, guys, be good, be well, be safe. Shall we start a fire? Let's start one, shall we? All right, guys, listen. Hang tough with me. Wish me luck. Send me prayers. Send me well wishes. Send me anything you want to send. Just send it to me. All right, guys. Give you one pan back around here. All right, guys. It's just desolate over here. There's no activity at all. Nothing. All right, guys. This is the storm of 2022. All right, guys. Be good, be well, be safe. Take her easy now.